Hello students, welcome to the next session of my series. So today the topic of my discussion will be about the topographic model of Sigmund Freud. So students, Freud's topographic model can be looked upon as the theory that it is also known by another name which is known as the Freud's Iceberg model for unconscious, preconscious and the conscious mind. So according to Freud's, that is also known as the Freud's topographical model of mind. So students, according to Freud, Freud has divided there are three levels of consciousness. The first level of consciousness, it is the conscious level, which is representing only the 1/10 part of the human mind. The second, it is the preconscious, which is lying below the water. And the final, it is the unconscious level. So student, I would like to mention that the Freud's view of the human mind can be divided into the three levels, that is the subconscious mind, the preconscious and the unconscious minds. So what comprises is the conscious mind, which is only the 1/10. It can be looked upon as it is an iceberg. So in the iceberg, as it is a normal finding that only 1/10 part of the iceberg it is visible and 9/10 part of it is submerged in water. So students, the 1/10 part what is visible, it is comprising of the conscious level, and the next, that is the preconscious and the unconscious, is it comprises of the 9/10 part. So students, uh, let me define it as to how it is going to happen. So the conscious mind, it comprises only a small part of the brain, and this is the part of the mind that holds what we are aware of. We can verbalize about our conscious experience, and we can think about it in a logical fashion. So this was the conscious level, which comprises only the 1/10 part of the iceberg. Moving on to the next level, that is the preconscious level. So at the preconscious level, this is also comprising of a very small level, and it basically includes the two things, that is the memories and the stored knowledge. So students, in this is an ordinary memory, the preconscious level, it is an ordinary memory. So although things stored here aren't in the conscious, but they can be readily brought into consciousness. Moving on to the third level, that is the third stage of the level, it is the unconscious level. So the unconscious level, it is going to comprise, it is a very huge or the enormous portion of the human mind. So unconscious level, Freud has told that he felt that this part of the mind was not directly accessible to awareness. In this part, Freud saw it as a dump box for urges, feelings, and ideas that are tied to anxiety, conflict, and pain. These feelings are thought have not disappeared, and according to Freud, they are there exerting influence on our actions and our conscious awareness. So, students, it is at the unconscious level where our subdued fears, urges, feelings, ideas, it is all going to lie. And it is at the unconscious level that where most of the work of the id, ego, and superego take place. So, students, this was the Freud's iceberg model